simultaneous mean at the same time, and linear equation mean we are dealing with sets of equations which are straight line. Linear means straight line. Now our goal is to find linear equations at the same time, to solve linear equations at the same time to get a common solution. Now graphically, let me show you graphically what we are supposed to do in simultaneous linear equation. Let's say this is our graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we are dealing with two lines, two straight lines, two linear lines. Let's say one line is passing like this and the other line is this line which is passing through a certain point. This line may be representing an equation y equals x plus 1, and this line is maybe representing an equation y equals 2x minus 3. Now, as you can observe from this graph, both these linear lines, both these lines are meeting at a certain point. Now, this point at which both these equations are meeting is called point of intersection. Now our goal is to find this specific point of intersection. This specific point of this x and y is representing the specific point of intersection at which both the lines are meeting. This is the graphical representation of simultaneous linear equation, what we have to do by solving both the equations. Now let us look at some methods how we have to solve mathematically. How do we solve both linear equations at the same time? So do remember, our goal in the end is to find the point of intersection at which both lines are meeting. Now there are two methods to solve simultaneous linear equations. First method is called substitution method, and second method is called elimination method. Substitution method, as the name suggests, we will take value of one variable and substitute it into some other equation to find the value of other variable. Since we are dealing with two variables over here, so we will just write one variable in terms of another variable, and we can find the value from that particular equation. Now we will substitute that value in some other equation to find the other variable. So this way we are going to find that point of intersection x and y. And similarly, elimination method, as the name suggests, elimination means we will get rid of one variable from both sets of equation, and we will find the value of one variable from eliminating one of the variable. So after we find the value of one variable, we are going to take that value and substitute it into one of the equations. Then we can find the value of that other variable. So these two methods, we are going to see how do you solve sets of equations by, first we are going to study how we are going to find that certain point by using substitution method. In other tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find that point of intersection by using elimination method. Okay, now let's solve some examples so that we can learn how do we have to solve the equations. Now consider these two equations, x minus 2y equals 5 and 4x plus 3y equals 9. We are given these two sets of equations. Now what I'm going to do is I will label this first equation as equation number 1, and I'm going to label this second equation as equation number 2. Now from here I can clearly see from equation number 1, from equation 1, which is x minus 2y equals 5, I can write x in terms of y. So remember the rules of algebra. How do we have to isolate one variable? I can simply, if I add 2y on both sides of the equation, I will get rid of this 2y from left hand side, and on the right hand side, I will get 5 plus 2y. So adding 2y on both sides of the equation, okay, let us call this as equation number 3 because we are going to use this equation later. Now I'm going to add 2y on both sides of equation number 3. X minus 2y equals 5. Now since I have added 2y on both sides of the equation, plus 2y on left hand side and plus 2y on right hand side. Now this minus 2y plus 2y would cancel out, and I will be left with x equals 5 plus 2y. This is our equation.